Hi everyone, and welcome back to another keto mukbang. Tonight I have made what we could call a beef stroganoff or S.O.S. Hi everyone, welcome back. Good to see all of you. So what we've got going here is kind of like a beef stroganoff, without the noodle of course, or like an S.O.S. that they do in the service, how they take the ground beef with the gravy and they put it over bread. Well, obviously we can't have bread, we can't have noodles. So what I've done is made a ground beef, done a beef gravy, and I put it over cauliflower mash. So looks delicious, and I'm excited about this, and it was really easy to make, so I didn't do a video at the end other than just a photo of the ingredients and then of course a picture after it was made. Really easy. I cooked up my ground beef. After it was cooked, I drained and strained it so to get off all the fat, and then I put it back in the pan with a cup of water and 2 tablespoons of the powdered beef bouillon. If you're going to do the cubes, I would use 4 of them, I believe. So, but I've used 2 tablespoons of that, and then this made 2 servings because it's a pound of hamburger. So it's going to make it for 2 people. I've got a half a pound of hamburger here. Now to keep it lower for you, you would use ground turkey, would be just as delicious. I always teach 2 ways of doing it. Of course, I eat heavier now because I have to, because I'm, at my goal weight. But I just thought this would be a nice, great home cooked meal, easy to make, and it would be what they call like a comfort food. So I just thought this would be an interesting way to do it, and it looks so good. It's got the gravy mixed in there, the beef gravy with the ground beef over the cauliflower mash. So thought I would share this one with you guys. I wasn't planning on doing a mukbang, but when I decided to make this up really quick tonight, I thought I would do a mukbang for you guys. So no movie tonight, and the carb count on here is 4 carbs. So it is 3 carbs for the half cup of mash I have here, and then of course the bouillon is a carb per serving of that, and I've got 2 servings on here of that. So to split it up, the whole pan would have been 8 carbs split in half. That is 4 carbs. And then I am drinking my Powerade Zero, so another half a carb if I was to finish all of this. So, or 1 carb. So that'd be 5 carbs total. Anyways, but yeah, like I said, I wasn't really planning on doing a video, but it just looks so good, so I wanted to share this one with you guys. Looks like, definitely like a comfort food, right? Mashed potatoes and beef. Let me show you a picture up close. Doesn't that look good? I haven't tried it yet. Ooh, that is good. Ooh, nice and salty tasting because of the bouillon. Excellent for us to have on keto because we need the salt. And that is good. And like I said, definitely could do this with ground turkey to make it lower fat. That would definitely make it lower because the cauliflower is cauliflower, so that's fine. So that would be a lower way of making it for yourself. And then once you're in maintenance mode, you would eat it like I am. This is delicious. Yeah, I'm glad I'm sharing this one with you guys because like I said, I wasn't planning on doing a mukbang, but I thought this looks so good, so I will definitely show it with you guys. Now, like I said, I have a picture of the ingredients at the end of what you use. Just so simple. I want to show simple meals too to make because sometimes we get home from work in the evening and just need to make up something quick, but this is something your husband and kids will love. It is absolutely delicious. But I will write down in the box everything you need to, and I'll write down just kind of how I made it. Just I explained, but just in case, I'll write it in the box for you guys too. Definitely your kids and husband would eat this. It definitely tastes like mashed potatoes because it's got that gravy taste, and then of course you got the beef. So you're also getting your veggie in. It's not a green because it's cauliflower, but you're still getting in a veggie, so that's good. And if you wanted to, you could do a green on the side because this is only a total of 4 carbs here, so we could add 2 more carbs for a salad on the side here if you wanted. I've gotten in my greens for today, so I didn't have to worry about that. So, anyways, how is everyone doing? Hope everyone's having a great evening, and what are you eating with me? Obviously, you guys always get these videos late, so by the time you get it, it's like going to be like a week or 2 later. when you get them. But I just am excited for today. My good friend Monica, gosh, my hair. I have no makeup on today. Just being myself, right? My good friend Monica hit 100-pound loss today. She just went into her 9th month of keto and she hit her 100-pound mark loss. She's at 195, so you all know that she had hit Wonderland already and she's lost another 4 pounds. So now she's at exactly 100 pounds. She is super excited. If you haven't seen that video yet, go over and check that out. She did a scale weigh-in, and then she also did an outfit that I sent her. It's a purple shirt and white leggings. She looks fantastic. Man, you can see the weight loss, and she would eat it the way I'm telling you with the ground turkey because she's really going low in fat. Super excited for you, Monica. Way to go, girl. Keto Power. So proud of you, honey. It really takes heart and dedication to stick to something like this because we have to give up a lot. And people need to understand that, you know, some people will say that this, you know, isn't a safe way of eating, or some people will say that it is. It's how God intended it. You know, when we get sick and we don't eat for a few days, like if we get a bad cold or we get the flu and we don't eat for a couple days, our body automatically goes into a state of ketosis. So this was made from God. This is how people would have ate in Bible time. And you know, a lot of people that hadn't seen us for a while and they see pictures of us from when we were thin or heavy to thin, they'll say things like, you know, you don't look healthy or something like that. It's just because our face is nice and thin now. You're seeing our jawline, you're seeing our collarbone and stuff like that. So people just think that we're not healthy. Actually, keto is the healthiest way to eat. In fact, I bumped into one of my doctors I hadn't seen for 2 years. So she didn't get to see me. From when she last seen me to now, I had lost 150 pounds. She was my doctor for 20 years. She highly recommends keto, and she's got family members that do it, and she couldn't believe, she said, you look completely different. And she said, you took 10 years off of you. You look fabulous. Your skin looks amazing. So it really is a healthy way of eating. But some people that don't agree with giving up your carbs are going to say we look unhealthy, or that they think we're doing drugs because our face is so thin. Well, the first thing to go when you lose weight is the weight in your face. So your face is going to get really, really thin. And especially somebody like myself and Monica and my brother, we all hit our goal weight. So we got down to a weight that is good for us, but nobody ever saw us thin. They always knew us heavy. So of course, you know, it looks different to people how we look, because my doctor said she would have never even recognized me had I not went up and said hi to her and started talking. She would never have known who I was. And she said it was my voice that gave it away, because I have that distinctive voice. But she said she would have walked right by me. She said, you look completely different. But like I said, she was a doctor for almost 40 years, and she said that it's completely healthy. I've got 6 other doctors that I see for all other reasons, and they said keto is really healthy too. So when people say things like that to you, or you're getting too thin or something like that, don't listen to them. You get to where you feel healthy, a healthy BMI, and what makes you feel good, you know? Because carbs, now that is what's unhealthy going in your body. Very, very unhealthy. Not good for you at all. Unless you are doing a good complex carb, which is fruits and, you know, veggies, because veggies got the carbs, or like a whole grain rice, something like that. If you're doing it that way, then of course that will be okay. But the way we do it is also very, very healthy. This is yummy. Really hearty too. I mean, who doesn't like beef and potatoes together, right? But yeah, I thought I would share that because I know I have a few people telling me that people are starting to say to them, you know, you don't look healthy, or you are losing too much weight or whatever. Well, you'll have some people that are jealous, you know, very, very jealous of you for the weight you're losing. But you'll also have people that just don't recognize you, so they think, wow, you look so different, you just don't look healthy, you know? Well, I've had blood work done 4 times. I am 100% healthier than I've ever been in my life. I've been taken off of all my heart meds except for 2, and that's just to regulate the heart, because I still do have a heart condition, but it's improved so much, and I'm the healthiest I could ever be. I really am. So my skin just glows. My eyes glow. I mean, when you look at a picture from before to now, I was so unhealthy looking in those pictures. Had bad rosacea, and my eyes just look so drawn, and I'm just so much more bright-eyed now. Feels so great. I love it. So I know a couple people were saying to my brother one time when they seemed, they're like, you know, we overheard people saying things behind their back and stuff, people that are jealous and stuff, you know, you'll get that, and that's okay. But saying that he looked like he was a druggie or whatever, or on drugs, or we do drugs or whatever. No, we are not doing drugs. I will show blood work to prove how healthy I am. So, I just think it's funny. But don't worry, you'll get that throughout your life. You know, because there's a lot of people that really are scared of not eating carbs. It is okay, but some people get scared away by it. Delicious. Keto actually cures diseases too. It's so healthy for you. It actually will cure diseases. They actually years ago did ketosis. That's what we do or whatever, to actually put somebody that had cancer in dormant. That's what they do. They cure cancers with that. And if you were to have cancer in your body, it would stay in dormant if you were eating keto. And you can read about keto. I mean, you can see many amazing stories of people that have lost weight and how great they feel and how good they look. It just shocks people when they see it, because you're starting to see now, you know, when we smile, we have our dimples now, you see our jawline goes in now and stuff like that. And that's because we lost all our weight where we're supposed to be. In fact, I'm still myself 10 pounds heavier than I should be. I should be 10 pounds even lighter, but I'm happy with my weight. My BMI is fine. What I'm going to do is continue working on toning to build more muscle. That's what I want. So I don't really need to lose any more weight. I mean, believe it or not, I'm going to be 43 in December, and nobody believes that. Nobody believes that at all. Everybody's telling me I look like I'm in my 30s. Some people even say late 20s to me. Of course, I don't think that. I see the fine lines and wrinkles, but come on, I'm almost 43 years old. I ain't trying to look like a 20-year-old. Oh, it would be nice. I'll tell you what, though. The way I eat, I feel like I'm in my 20s. I feel fantastic. This is so yummy. I love showing all these meals to show there are so many things you can eat on keto. So many people think you can't. Some people think that all we eat is eggs. Look at the meals I have showed you guys. So many things you can eat on keto. You just got to make it fun and creative, and follow me on here and I'll show you. Last bite. Man, that was hearty and good. Delicious. It's actually a little bit, not chilly out, but a little bit gloomy and rainy today, so this was a perfect comfort food. Absolutely delicious. Yum. So, I am done with this mukbang. Sorry again that I didn't have a movie with it, because it is my dinner and I like to throw movies with it. But I wasn't planning to do a video, and then once I made it, it looked so good I wanted to share it with you guys. So, definitely try this out. I'm just going to call it Keto Beef Stroganoff or S.O.S. Anyways, you guys have a great evening. God bless. Take care, and we'll see each and every one of you in my next video. Thanks a lot, everyone. God bless.